Hi there, I'm Storm Team 4 meteorologist and science teacher Ryan Miller. Our Science for Everyone topic today, it's going to feature runoff when it rains, and we have picked up a large amount of rain in short periods of time through some of the storms that have developed into the afternoon and evening. It produces runoff. That water that cannot have a chance to soak into the ground ends up just leaving and moving with the ground right along the surface here and then into our streams and our creeks and ultimately the Potomac River. With runoff, there are serious issues and implications. I wanted to show you this map that I made. It is all of the different colors here, and that's from the USGS. This is our land cover across Washington and our area. The Potomac River watershed, follow me here for a few seconds. This black line that you see, anytime it rains or if it snows and snow melts, any water that falls in this polygon, in this area, will get into the Potomac River. Here's DC, Arlington, the immediate suburbs. These are all the rivers and streams and creeks that are a part of the Potomac River watershed, and I bring this up for a couple of different reasons. Looking at the colors, that yellow that you see, these are areas where farming is occurring in locations throughout the Shenandoah Valley, into northern Virginia, West Virginia, into parts of Maryland, and that is where land is being either fertilized or manure is being applied in some capacity, and we're adding pesticides at times here to control for weeds or insects. And this red area, that is area of development where we have a lot of impervious surfaces where if it does rain, that's where runoff is going to be at its greatest moving off the land. But I bring all of this up for a couple of different reasons. Taking a look into the Shenandoah Valley, the Shenandoah River helps to feed the Potomac River, and right at Harper's Ferry, that's where those two rivers combine. And when you have the Shenandoah River flowing through a lot of land that is being cultivated for crops and farming, this is the result. I took this picture, the Maryland Heights Trail. It is one of the trails here very close to Harper's Ferry. In fact, Harper's Ferry showing up, the town itself, over here on this side of your screen. But this is the Shenandoah River and is meeting up at the Potomac River. But notice a couple of things in the image. We have the Shenandoah River and its color is different than the Potomac River. Here is the reason for that. In the Shenandoah River Valley, or into the Shenandoah Valley, I should say, that is where there's a lot of agriculture happening. And because of that, when we have the storms, the runoff will carry nutrients, fertilizers, manure, and other things from farming into and a part of the Shenandoah River, and that will cause algae to grow. So that's why you see that lighter color green with the Shenandoah River. The Potomac itself is sourced into the mountains of West Virginia, and there is less agriculture in those spots, so we also see a difference in the water, less algae because of less runoff from farm fields. It's important, whether you live in a city or whether you're in the country or in the Shenandoah Valley, to be mindful of fertilizer use. We don't want it leaving our properties. We don't want it leaving our farms. We got to be mindful of pet waste and other things so that we can keep our rivers clean. And we certainly need the water from the Potomac River, because reminding you one thing, all of us, our drinking water, our source, is both the Potomac River and the Shenandoah River as well. I'm Storm Team 4 meteorologist and science teacher Ryan Miller.